Okay, so welcome everyone. Let's look at data consolidation in Microsoft Excel using the VSTACK formula. So I'm having this data which was collected in two different quarters of the year. The first quarter was from January to March, and the second quarter was from April to June. So I want to stack this data on top of the other. So this data will be at the top while this one will be at the bottom. So I want to use the VSTACK formula. But before I stack this data, I would like us to calculate the total sales by multiplying the units and the price. The units and the price. So let's go by and use the formula is equal to D2 multiplied by E2. Now, if you can see this formula, I'm using Excel tables. Now, the advantage of using Excel tables is that here it is saying I'm multiplying units and price. So it is able to recognize the headers of these two cells. And after I click the enter, all these other cells were auto-filled. Had it been that I'm not using tables, what would happen is that I had to be copying this formula down. But because I'm using Excel tables, everything was filled automatically. So that's the importance of using Excel tables. Then I'll do the same to quarter two. Here, we're also going to multiply the units and the price of the item. So I'm multiplying with A2, then press enter. So all these have been auto-filled. So now let's go to the table where we want our data to appear. So this is where I want my data to appear. Now using the VStack, I had to provide the headings or the headers for my data because VStack is not going to give me the headers for the data. So this is it. So these are the headers. So I'm taking these headers from here and I'm using them here. So in cell A2, I'm going to type is equal to VStack. So here it is saying vertically stacks arrays into one array. So it vertically stacks one array into another array. So I'm typing is equal to VStack open bracket. So it is saying I should select array 1 and array 2. So here I'm going to use the names of my tables. I named my tables. The other one is quarter one, the other one is in quarter two. So let me go back and show you. This is quarter one, this is quarter two. So here, when we go on the names, on the name box, here I'm having quarter one and quarter two. So this is quarter one and this is quarter two. So I'm going to use quarter one and quarter two to stack them together. Okay, so if you want to talk to learn about name manager, you can watch my previous video on how we can name a range. So it's equal to VStack open bracket. So array one, I'm going to use quarter one. So array one, I'm going to use quarter one, and array two. So click comma array two. I'm also going to use quarter two. And then I'll close and press enter. So by just pressing enter, you can see that my data has been stacked on top of each other. So array 1 is starting from January, while array 2 is starting from April. So April, May, June, or the other one is January, February, March. So this data is stacked on top of the other. So here you can see that if you click in one of these cells, if you click in one of these cells, you're going to see that the formula here is faint. It's like you can't edit it. Okay, but if you go to cell A2, you can edit it. Meaning, if I delete this formula from here, it means all this data is going to be deleted because all this data is appearing from the formula here. So if you want it to stay without relying on the formula, you can copy this data and paste it as values. So if you copy this data and paste it as values, this data is going to stay. So that was to do with the VStack. So that's how you can use a VStack to consolidate data from two different sheets so that it is stacked on top of each other. Thank you for your time.